Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here watching Zimflash. Don't forget to follow and subscribe my channel for more updates on free earning online and technology. If you are interested in making money online, subscribe this channel now. Don't forget to like and share this video for more updates related to online earning and technology. Without wasting time, in today's video I'm going to guide you through on how you can claim free 25 USD for simply inviting 10 people. So you will need to invite only 10 people, and then after that you will then get your 25 USD, and it is going to be accredited via PayPal. So that's it. And these 10 people will need to just install an app, and then you will be rewarded that amount if they manage to do so. Let's get started. This is the app that we are going to talk about. That is Sweatcoin. Most of you know the platform is a fitness app. Yes, it's a fitness app, but it allows you to earn some rewards in so many different dimensions. You can earn for walking, whereby you walk, hit your targets, and then your steps are then converted into cash, or into cash rewards known as sweat coins. You can also earn rewards for joining challenges. As you can see, there are so many challenges. You can also use your converted steps to purchase items online, and they can be used as discounts. And apart from that, this platform is in partner with big brands such as Nike, Oraimo, Apple, and so many big brands like Prime and others you may know that are related to fitness. That's not what we are looking for, by the way. And the other thing is you can earn rewards for inviting people. As you can see here, I'm earning some rewards for inviting people, and if I invite 200 people, I'll be earning something like 50 USD. And these rewards varies from the country you are residing in, and I've managed to claim around 14 USD to my PayPal. For those who may ask for some proof, this is a proof that I have managed to earn 14 bucks, and also my highest reward is 10 bucks. So here is what you need to do for you to be able to get your 25 bucks. You will need to go to your invite section, and then you invite people to join the platform. So you go to your invite section, you copy your link, and then you share it to your friends. If you manage to get 10 friends, you will then credited with 25 USD that you would then withdraw to your PayPal account. So that's it, and that's all you will need to do. Some of you may face this challenge. Here below I've got these 5 icons, but if you are new, you will be having something like 4 icons. The invite icon will be not available, and these rewards will not available. These rewards can only be available if you invite at least 5 people. And I suggested that you use VPN if you are capable of to open this Sweatcoin account, so that you may get a better rewards invite. Because for some country, if you invite only 5 or 8 people, you get 10 bucks. So I suggested that you use countries like UK, Canada, or Australia for inviting and for opening your account. So that's it. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more updates on Sweatcoin.